My name's Ben Homan. I'm General Manager of the Richmond Glass group. We've got stores here in Richmond Nelson, Greymouth and in Queenstown. We're a size of a mid-range sort of business, which is 30 people. So I've been with the business about 18 months now, and I've inherited programs from previous people who've worked here. I suppose the challenge that we've had is when you inherit data, the facts aren't always there. So for us, we've used Mango now for nearly 5 years, and in that time we've managed to keep a really accurate record of everything that we do that's health and safety compliance. You know, when you have a very paper-based system, which we had in the past prior to me getting here, you know, information got lost or it wasn't updated and so forth. And Mango's really accurate about keeping your timeframes compliant. And of course, when you go on site to a workplace, if you're not compliant, you just can't work. So I guess what Mango has done for us is made us really accurate. We don't miss timeframes. We don't let people expire. We don't let cars roll over unserviced. And I suppose that's the key thing that we've got. It gives us a methodology of being able to sustain things long term. So it's not just a short-term fix, it's something that we're looking for long-term. It's interesting too when we're at different locations, it's very hard to manage people that you don't see on a day-to-day basis. So a computer program really has to do the work for you in that respect as well. I don't know when a warrant's going to run out on a vehicle down in Greymouth, for example, so Mango allows me to be compliant with those things. The challenge for us is to remain constant with all the technology that's changing around, and Mango allows us to do that. So I would recommend it to anyone who wants to future-proof their business, and that can come from a number of different aspects. For us, it's about compliance. We need to make sure that we've got our health and safety right, and that's the main thing that it does. It allows effectively to have an HR manager on board without actually paying the person to do it.